What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your WhatsApp notifications are not showing up on your iPhone. First, open WhatsApp and tap on Settings on the bottom right corner. From there, select Notifications and confirm that Show Notifications is enabled under Message Notifications. If you like, turn on Notification Sound and pick your favorite alert tone. Don't forget to check Group Notifications as well and choose whether you want a sound for those. Next, scroll down within WhatsApp's Notifications menu to In-App Notifications and set it to Banners or Alerts, depending on whether you want a pop-up that requires confirmation or a banner that disappears on its own. After you've adjusted these, close WhatsApp completely. Swipe it away from your app switcher and then open your iPhone Settings app. From here, scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll to WhatsApp, tap on it, and under Notifications, make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Here, you can also customize the banner style, enable sounds and badges, and even choose whether alerts show up in CarPlay. If notifications still don't appear, restart your iPhone and ensure both iOS and WhatsApp are updated to the latest versions. You can also test your internet connection by toggling Wi-Fi off and on or switching to cellular data. This often clears any background issues that block real-time alerts. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.